purchase it and realized how much work it is, and my husband's more mechanic savvy than he is. Called and asked him if he'd be interested. My husband's trying to talk me into the fact that I'm not gonna like this Jeep over my Raptor. So he's gonna let me drive it for however long to see what's gonna happen, whether if we keep it for a family car or if I sell my Raptor for it. So we're gonna go look at it tonight, probably purchase it tomorrow. It's gonna be a rebuild, and we'll show you how to drop a new motor into an SRT8 Jeep. Here's the new 2014 SRT8 Grand Jeep Cherokee that we just got. We're getting it for 16 grand. It's a salvage flood. There was a knock, a very big knock, and we already got a motor for it. And then there's just little things on the inside and outside, like this little stuff right here, rust spots. The wheels are pretty fucking nicked, but other than that, I mean, I know a good body guy. Wasn't completely submerged, but the radio works. Basically everything here works. The only thing, there's just little things we gotta replace. The headrest. You can't really see it, but there's like a seat missing over there. And then honestly, there's really not much that we have to fix, but I'm super excited. There she is. Definitely gonna need some work. The more we look at it, the rims are pretty scuffed. And there's like all of this we have to fix. Stickers from all the auction stuff. She's not entirely too bad. We have this little item here that my husband is gonna have to fix. There's a lot of scuffing on the wheels that we're gonna have to get repowder coated. The headrest is the only thing we're gonna have to replace, and as well a back seat, but I guess that you can get those any year. It doesn't matter, SRT or anything. Other than that, it's super nice. Got the launch control I'm super excited to use. We're gonna have to get the windows retinted, but it's just like minor things. She is completely gutted at this point. We kind of tore everything out. So far, I think we got lucky with just a valve and a spring. And everything is actually over here. We thought the motor was completely submerged, but it looked like somebody tried to do an insurance thing. That's the rattle. Taken to the machine shop. They actually owe my husband a favor, so hopefully she's done by next week.
Oh, yummy. Someone order some Starbucks? Oh, yeah. Well, boys, figured her out. I was loosening these bolts for his head, and I don't think it should do that.
majority of it sanded. Just gotta use the DA on the top. I got all the crevices with this. So hopefully I did a good enough job off of the powder coating. Okay guys, I've completely sanded the crevices of these. I DA'd this, and then also I had to feather out all of these little scuff marks here with the DA. So it's been a great task, I'll tell you. But so far, I mean, I'm about ready to get sent off to be powder coated. We'll see. So here's the pretty bumpers my husband painted on his own channel, which I will have the link in the subscription for y'all down in the comment section. They're so pretty. Look at those, would ya?